Hey you guys, it is Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So who is excited about today's video? So we are going to be doing our paycheck. We're going to be doing our budget. So we're going to be paying our bills. We're going to be stuffing our cash envelopes and also stuffing our sinking funds. This is one of my longest and most popular videos that I have filmed, every other Saturday. And I am so thankful for you guys for coming over here and watching it, commenting, asking questions, and just encouraging me to keep going forward. So as you can see, I did go to the bank and you can see that some of the numbers will not be adding up, and I will explain that a little further once we get into the video. But anyways, you guys, so let's just get on with paycheck number 2 for October. All right, so our paycheck for this week, or the past 2 weeks, we earned $1,550. So what consisted of that is, of course, call, and then I worked 2 night shifts, so you get extra pay when you work overnight. So that is what has happened right there. That's the reason why it got to be so much larger. I need to bump up the 1,300, like expected, 1,400 or something like that. But anyway, so that was an increase of $250. And plus for my side hustle, I only got $10, and that is from selling another pack of egg rolls. So that is great. And that is $260 is how much of a difference that we made in the last 2 weeks. All right, so let's go right into our bills and what we're going to be paying and everything like that. So house, we are going to be putting down $249. Now I'm going to try to turn it sideways just so y'all can see it a little bit better. Credit, we're going to be putting $20. Loan, we are going to be putting $50. Light bill, $20. Insurance, $60. Internet is going to be $17. Now, gym, I do have to pay this month because obviously nobody knows how to answer their phone. So that's just a problem. I'm just going to keep calling and everything. I haven't had time to run down there because they are usually there earlier in the morning and then they leave like at 2 or 3. So I just need to figure out a way to get there. Hopefully I can do that on my off day. But sometimes when I'm on my off day and I go there, nobody's in the office. So it's just very frustrating. Phone is going to be $50. And then car will be $249. And I actually messed up on house. It is actually going to be $134 because if you watched my last video, you will know that we are having 3 paychecks this month. So we are going to be splitting the paychecks into thirds on most of them. Like the house is going to be into thirds, and like the light bill and all that stuff. So those are in thirds. But anyway, so let's go ahead and just tally this up. So 134 plus 20 plus 50 plus 20 plus 60 plus 17 plus 35 plus 50 and plus 249 equals to $635. And that is how much we are going to be paying towards our bills, all of our bills. So $1,550 minus $635 will equals to $915 is how much we have left to do our cash envelopes and our sinking funds. Now, this is where it gets a little bit different, but we are going to go ahead and do our cash envelopes. So our cash envelopes is going to be $100 for food, like always. Gas is going to be $60. And then fund money is actually going to get bumped up to $60. And then cushion, which is right here, which is down here, it is going to be $200. And we're just going to go ahead and start stuffing that. As you can see, I did get some money out. So we're going to subtract the $915 to what I just told you. So it's going to be minus $100, minus 60, minus 60, and minus 200. So that's $495. Now, I did get out $480. So the rest of the money that is left over, which is only like $15, will just stay in the bank and just chill there, you know, because we are going on vacation soon in a couple of weeks with my mom. So whatever is left in the bank is just going to be going towards the vacation and everything. But anyway, so let's just go ahead and start stuffing our cash envelopes. Now this binder should be down below, linked down below, and so I will make sure of that. But anyways, and then I have these clear little cash envelopes that I just stuff my money in, and I have a binder for cash envelopes and for sinking funds. But anyways, groceries is going to be $100, so we have two 50s right there. And you guys, we always go to Walmart to do our groceries, and they have been doing nothing but debit or credit cards only because of, you know, the coin shortage. But some of the self-checkout is actually doing cash now. So I'm super excited about that. All right, gas is going to be $60. So we're going to do 50 and 60. Okay, and I'm going to have to break that 50. All right, and then fun money is going to get $60 as well. So 50 and 60. I'm going to try to keep this safe until vacation, but no promises on that, you guys. All right, and then the yellow one is actually our egg roll money for whenever we do egg rolls. All right, so let's switch to our sinking funds, which is my favorite of all times, which is right here. All right, so we have, so what I took out was, I didn't take out a lot. I think I said I took out 480s, but let me see how much I took out. So I took out 200. 5 plus 20, and oops, let me see. I messed up. I'm sorry, you guys. It's gonna be 2 seconds because I wanted to show y'all how much I took out. $262. Now I said I did take out $480, but half of it did go towards the food, the gas, and the fun money. But $262 is actually going to be stuffing it into my sinking funds. And the reason why I got it so low is because I was just like rushing. I have not did my budget at all this week because I actually have been doing DoorDash. So I've been trying to earn a little bit of more cash for our girls trip and also for like the wedding and debt and all that stuff. So I've been doing that a lot. And if you want a video of me stuffing those cash envelopes, I will be more than likely to do that if y'all would want. But anyway, so I was so flustered at work, so I just ran to the bank and I automatically just took out $480. So that is how much we're going to be working with. But I mean, there could be more, there could be less. So that is my initial thought process on that because I was rushing. So anyway, so we took out $262 is how much we are working with for our sinking funds. All right, so we are doing college is going to be getting let's see, how much is it getting? It's getting $0. And I will do the starting balances later on, but I just didn't have time. I'm sorry, you guys. All right, vacation, we're going to be doing $200. Medical is going to be $5. Car maintenance is going to be $5. Christmas will be $20. Wedding is going to be $12. Special occasion, $5. Beauty, $5. Renewal, $5. And home is $5. So that is everything that we're going to be stuffing right now. And we are just going to get our handy dandy cash envelopes, or our sinking funds. Now this money right here is actually a bill that Jared sent me, so I just kept it right there. All right, so I'm going to set this aside, and we are just going to get to stuffing. So college is going to get nothing, but we are going to still count it, and I will total them up later on. I know a lot of people like me writing it down, but just because I wanted to save space on my desk, we're just going to be doing the cash envelopes and the cash. So 1, 2, 3, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 40, 400, 20, 25, and 30. So $430, and that is what we have right now, and we're not going to be stuffing anything. Vacation, we're going to be putting $200. 1, 2, 1, and 2, so that's 200. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 20, 40, 60, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, and 87. So 87. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 687. So that is awesome. And we leave on the 24th, and we will not be back until the 31st of October, which is Halloween. We are actually going to be going to Florida. My mom and I, my friend was supposed to come, but that's a long story, but it's okay. All right, medical is going to get $5. And we have 100, 2, 40, 60, 65, and 70. So $170. Car maintenance is going to get $5, and I do have coins in there because if you watch, you will know that I was at the car dealership earlier this past week. All right, so 20, 40, 45, 50, 55, 56, 57, 58. So $58. Gotta build that up. Christmas. As you see, this is a $10 gift card. Christmas is going to get $20. All right, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, 100. Let's just restart that. Those are 20 right there. All right, so 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, 100. That's why that's there. 25, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, and 35. Plus 10 is 45. So $145. Which is good because I have been buying some gifts. I'm trying to hurry up and buy all the gifts that I possibly can do. Alright, so $12 is 10. I mean, wedding is 10, 11, 12. So let's see. Is this the same? Oof. Okay, so let's count wedding, which is always super, super exciting. 1, 2, 50, 60, 70, 80, 85, wait, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, 100, That's 3, 20, 40, 60, 80, 4, 20, 40, 60, 80, 5, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 91, and 92. So 92, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So 592, which is super exciting. It's just so exciting to plan a wedding, you guys. I'm just really excited. All right, special occasion is going to get 5, so we have $10. Beauty has nothing, so we are going to get 5, and we're going to do ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Car renewals or any kind of renewals, 5, 10, 15. We're going to add a 5, which will make it 20. And then home is going to get 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 20, 20, 40, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, and 65. And then if you are new, this one is actually my 52-week challenge envelope. All right, you guys, so that is it. So I put all of my money in my cash envelopes. I'm going to go back and rewrite this, and then I will add it to my sinking funds for my cash envelopes and everything for whenever we do the weekly check-in. But anyways, I hope y'all have a great week. Thank you guys for always supporting me and for just being there for me and giving me great advice and being my friend. I'm actually really tired right now, so I'm just going to end the video right now. I hope y'all have a great weekend, and I will see you guys on Tuesday with a 52-week challenge. Bye, you guys.